This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon e-gift card on Amazon.com. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So basically, many times you'll get a e-gift card in return for doing something, or maybe as a gift from someone who lives far away. And for instance, I recently received a gift card in return for doing a survey or something like that for $50. Underneath this red mark is a code. The code looks very similar to this code right here. It's in the same format. This is just a sample number. And I'm going to show you how to redeem an e-gift code like this on the Amazon.com website. So go to Amazon.com, log in, go to Accounts and List, and then click on Account. And then click on Gift Cards. So you have two options here. You can either reload your balance, which means Amazon will charge you, or you can redeem a gift card. So don't do reload your balance if someone has given you an e-gift card. Just click redeem a gift card. And then what you're going to do is enter the claim code. Dash is not required. So I'm going to paste in the gift code that I got via email for doing the survey. And you can see it looks like this. If I wanted to, I could take out these dashes. That you don't need to do that. And Amazon would still recognize it. And once I click apply to your balance, Amazon's going to check the number to make sure it matches up with their database, and then this gift card balance will go up to $50. And that's basically all there is to it. You can only use the gift code once on the Amazon website, so you couldn't just like pass forward the email to one of your friends and have them cash it in too, because it's once you've used it, it's gone. It's basically applied to your balance, but then you can start to use it to buy things. So if this was helpful, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.